Have you ever wondered about the technology that keeps an eye on our homes and businesses? We're diving deep into the inner workings of security cameras. Security cameras have become ubiquitous, but understanding how they transform light into actionable security footage is fascinating. A security camera, at its core, is a surveillance device designed to capture video evidence of events. Its main purpose is deterrence, monitoring, and providing post-incident evidence. There are primarily two types: analog, which transmit video over coaxial cables, and IP cameras, which use Internet protocols for high-resolution digital video transmission, often wirelessly. To understand the process, we need to look at three main components: the lens, the image sensor, and the image processing unit. The lens is the eye of the camera. It gathers light from the scene and focuses it onto the image sensor, determining the field of view and clarity of the image. The image sensor, typically CCD or CMOS, is where the magic truly begins. It converts the focused light into electrical signals, with each pixel reading the intensity and color of the light hitting it. Once the electrical signals are generated, they need to be refined. This is the job of the camera's internal image processing components. The digital signal processor, or DSP, takes the raw data and performs tasks like noise reduction, color correction, and sharpness adjustments, cleaning up the image before it's transmitted. Since raw video files are massive, the data must be compressed using codecs like H.264 or H.265. This encoding shrinks the file size, allowing for efficient storage and faster transmission. After processing and compression, the video data needs to travel to a recording or viewing location. This step relies heavily on the camera's connectivity. Analog cameras use coaxial cables, while modern IP cameras utilize Ethernet or Wi-Fi to send the digital video stream over a network, often leveraging cloud storage or local servers. The NVR or DVR receives and records the video feeds. NVRs are used for digital IP cameras, storing footage directly onto hard drives, while DVRs convert analog signals to digital before storing them. Modern security cameras are far more advanced than simple recording devices, incorporating features that enhance their utility, especially in varying conditions. To see in the dark, cameras use infrared LEDs. These emit infrared light invisible to the human eye, which is then captured by the image sensor, allowing the camera to record a clear black and white image. Sophisticated software enables motion detection, object tracking, and even facial recognition, alerting users only when necessary and making footage review much more efficient. From capturing light to transmitting encrypted video, the security camera is a complex system working tirelessly to provide safety and peace of mind. In summary, light hits the lens, focuses on the sensor, gets converted to digital data, compressed, and transmitted for viewing and recording. A continuous loop of digital vigilance. With advancements in AI and cloud computing, security cameras are becoming smarter, predictive, and an even more integrated part of our digital security landscape.